Hello everyone. Today we'll be creating a chat support system in Laravel using AI. And the AI we'll be using here is a Google Gemini. Now think of this like, a customer support representative whereby, you enter a reception, okay, you ask the personnel series of questions about the business. That personnel answers you, and then you can, go ahead check available period that's maybe the business is opened. You can, book an appointment with their HR or their CEO. So that is what we'll be building here. A chat support system that can answer inquiry about the business, any question, as well as check availability period that the organization is available to book an appointment, and it can also book an appointment, reschedule, cancel. So if you're excited, let's get started.